Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC and welcome to this unboxing of one of the latest SCX24s from Axial Adventure. I'm kind of excited because it's a hard body and they're moving into vehicles from a new manufacturer, namely Toyota Lexus. I really dig the overlander direction that these SCX24s have taken with these. It's got really nice scale details and I'm really excited for this release. And let's just take a look at the box. You can see I got the black version. It comes in 3 colors at initial release, white, silver, and black. Right here you can see the 3 colors it comes with. The white and black ones come with the bronze wheels. The silver one comes with the gunmetal titanium wheels. They're plastic, but it's just the color. Alright, let's take a look at the back of the box. You can see that just like all the SCX24s, they are worm gear based. It's got a new Spectrum radio. And it's also got oil-filled shocks. So these do come with the upgraded oiled shocks over the old friction ones. So these do have oil-filled ones. You see the wheels are licensed Black Rhino wheels with Nitto tires. And I believe this is the C10 wheelbase. Here are the specs. But without further ado, let's go open this up. Here's a rig, but before I take this out, let's see what's inside the rest of the box. So we got the manual here. It also comes with 4 AA batteries for your remote or radio. It's got some drive shaft pieces, some shock adjustment pieces, shock collars, or not collars but spacers. Alright, here is the radio. This is the Spectrum radio. Most of Axial stuff uses this now. For a while they were using the FlySky radio. I guess that was like the transition between their Tactic radios and Spectrum radios, but now they're all using these Spectrum radios, which are these are pretty nice, nice and compact. So pretty cool. And here is the charger. So it's a USB-C charger, or USB charger with a USB-C end to it. Here. So they're also coming with these new chargers, much different from what they used to have. See right here. Alright, let's take a look at the rig itself. It's secured with 1 zip tie, so it's easy to remove. Alright, let's see what we have here. As you can see, really nice scale detail. Overland packs and equipment. Yep. These are all stickers. Black Rhino wheels. Nitto tires. It's velcroed in the front and hinged in the back, like most of the SCX24s are now. See, it's got the DeMello front bumper, which is really nice. Let's just open this up right here. So you'll notice the body is captured by the bumper right here. This is a better view. The body is captured by the bumper, so it's easy to align, right? Because it fits into a groove between the bumper, and so yeah, right there. So you can line it up pretty easily. Open it. Alright, so you can see it's a hard body, no interior, so that's something I might want to do in the future, but there's no interior with this body. Spectrum Electronics, the ESC receiver right here. It's got a battery, not sure how many milliamps it is, but it's just the basic SCX24 stuff. I mean, your AS1 servo, all the usual. It does come with sliders, so that's pretty cool. Check out these sliders right here. It doesn't come with inner fenders though, so that's something I might have to work on. Alright, well, now there's actually a lot I like about this release. There's a few things that I wish they would have added. One thing is inner fenders. The Power Wagon had inner fenders, and I just wish that this, being a hard body, would also have inner fenders. As you can see through the fenders. And the other thing I wish that they would have did on this, you can see a lot of the plastic details, like the snorkel and the door handles, as well as the taillights. The way those are added to the body, it looks like they're using peg and melt technique. So they're like pegs that are inserted through the body and then either hammered or melted to kind of secure in place. So if you wanted to kind of replace some of the parts on the body, it's kind of difficult to do so. Like if you wanted to repaint this, you would have to like basically cut off the end of this peg or whatever melted piece for the details, and you would have to kind of glue those back. As you can see here, they're like all like peg and melted. Even the rear tail lights. The rear taillights do the same thing. There's no light bucket option for this. They're just inserted through the body and kind of melted to hold it in place. So it's actually just a lens. There's no light bucket underneath. It's part of the body underneath with the light bucket piece, or sorry, the lens piece overlaid over the body. So there's no actual location for a light bucket for the lights to go through on the rear tail lights. So those are some of the things that I wish they would have kind of improved upon, to actually have rear tail light buckets. That would have been nice. So you could add rear tail lights. But other than that, really nice scale body, and overall a nice scale release. Here, the sand ladders, you can actually remove them by twisting this right here, this retainer, and you can remove the sand ladders. So that is actually really cool that you could do that. Let's put it back. So I really like that. And what else? The GX does come with working headlights and bumper fog lights, just no tail lights. So it does have LEDs for the headlights and the fog lights. But yeah, I mean, I really wanted the body, and it's a really cool body, and I'll probably do some work on it before I run it, so stay tuned for future updates on this. I'm definitely gonna have fun working on this rig, but that's about it. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future updates on this Axial SCX24 Lexus GX470. Thanks for watching.